In this video, I will show you how to install the MONO-MIDI app on macOS. Double-click the DMG file and drag the MONO-MIDI app into your Applications folder. Just double-click the app and it should open normally. If the app does not open, or if you see a message like MONO-MIDI is damaged and can't be opened, don't worry. The app is not actually damaged. This is a macOS security feature called Gatekeeper. Since the app is not signed by Apple, macOS may block it from opening. To allow the app, open Terminal by pressing Command and space, typing Terminal and press Enter. Type the following command. Next, drag and drop MONO-MIDI app into the terminal window. Make sure there's a space between the command and the app path. Then press Enter. If no message appears, the command was successful. Now open the app normally. It should start correctly. Adjust the scan area so it looks like this. The first time you press the Scan DCTL button, you'll see this message. MONO-MIDI needs permission to read the screen so Scan can analyze the DaVinci viewer. Open System Settings, Privacy and Security, Screen Recording, and make sure MONO-MIDI is enabled. You only need to do this once. Now, if your MIDI controller is connected and you move any of its knobs, macOS will show another message. MONO-MIDI needs permission to control DCTL sliders with your knobs. Open System Settings, Privacy and Security, Accessibility, and make sure MONO-MIDI is enabled. If MONO-MIDI does not appear in the list, click the plus button. Select MONO-MIDI from the application folder and enable the toggle. You only need to do this once. There is a free demo version available on my website, and there you will also find more details on how to set this up. Have a great day, and I see you in the next video.